Yo guys, what's going on? I'm here again bringing you guys another pair of earbuds, and this time it's gonna be freaking cute. They're a pair of small true wireless earbuds, a cute ass teeny tiny pair. Look at this. Look at the size of this. Here, let me take my Bolt Tunes. Look at the comparison. You see that? Cute and tiny, compact. You can literally throw it somewhere. You won't even barely find it. But before I go ahead and I do a little bit of a talk about these, I believe they stole the design from another company called Treblab. I don't know if you guys ever heard about Treblab, but Treblab has been established longer. Their products on Amazon, more longer because you could see by the amounts of reviews. So the Treblab ones that I'm talking about that look exactly like these, they're called XFit. I'm gonna post up a picture right here. Okay, they're called XFit. They have around 500, 600 reviews. Then these ones that I found, these CopyCat or clone ones, they only have 30 or 40, 50 reviews. So I'm assuming the XFit Treblab ones, they've been longer because they have more reviews. So I'm assuming this company, they saw theirs and they're just like, oh, we'll go ahead and I don't know how they did it, where they managed to get it. I don't know. They probably bought returned, used ones, maybe refurbished ones, broken ones. They fixed it and then they just sold it for cheaper. Now keep in mind, this is a little bit more cheaper. This is about $10 less. I believe this is, fuck, how much I bought it for? $29, and the XFit ones are about $50 or $40. So a little bit more cheaper. And not only cheaper, because the XFit ones, they have an IPX rating of a 6, while these have an IPX rating of a 7. So one extra number. I mean, does that really do anything? I guess not. But here's one thing too, the XFit ones, they only have USB cables, a USB, micro USB, I'm sorry. And this has a USB type C. I don't know how this company did that. I don't know how they did it. And with these, you're believed to get up to 8 hours of playtime. Now, that's a little bit over exaggerated. I mean, they ruined their description or whatever, but in real life, when a company says, oh, 8 or 10 hours in something tiny as these, or not just tiny, just in general, small earbuds like these, you're not gonna get that much. You're only gonna get what, 5, maybe 4 or 5 or 6, and that's just about it. Maybe pushing it to 6, you know what I'm saying? But the XFit ones, they keep it pretty simple. It goes up to 4 or 5 hours, which is much more realistic. And with both of them, you could get up to 5 extra times of charge in the portable charger. So it gives you, the portable charger gives you about 30, maybe 32 hours of battery life. If you're a company, you want to go on ahead and copycat, clone, steal a design from another company, okay, that's totally fine, but make sure you're really gonna put some nice and heart and soul and effort into that, because it don't be like Jive Pods and make a ridiculous garbage ass pair of earbuds that are exactly a exact clone and replica of actual Apple AirPods, and you don't even deliver with sound and just the premium feeling of it, or if it even is gonna last. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't do that. If you want to copycat, okay, fine, make sure you're actually going to deliver in great quality, the sound, if it's decent bass or just a premium feel. And this company, I believe they did a good job at that. So to start off with the unboxing, it's pretty simple. You get yourself a box, ear tips, USB Type-C cable, a manual that no one cares about, and the extremely tiny, really cute true wireless earbuds. So at this moment, I want to go on ahead and just do a quick size comparison between the cases for the YS-1s and the Bolt Tunes, the Skull Candy Push, and these are just trash ones I bought off of Amazon, but for the sake of the review, they look similar to the YS, so why not? So if we start off with the YS and these ones, just look at that. I don't even need to take them out, and you can already tell. Now, when we go ahead and go to the Skull Candy Pushes, just look at that. None of these are not competing right now. And I don't know if this is really gonna, do it justice, but still, I guess it's depending what style you like. If you like Apple styles, you'll mess with this. But if you like just straight up not Apple styles, you get something like this, you know what I'm saying? But compact design, absolutely small, can fit absolutely anywhere. Like I said, you could chuck this anywhere. You could probably lose it a lot more faster than, these, or these ones, or, these, you know what I'm saying? Okay, guys, so right now I am doing a microphone test for the YS-1s. Right now I have background noise simultaneously, to see how well it does with canceling out any background noise. Let me know what you guys think. Oh, and by the way, guys, I had completely forgot to mention earlier as well. One thing that are really nice about these two is that once you take out the earbuds, they automatically turn on and they'll automatically start pairing to your device. So guys, let me know what you guys think about the audio. Now at this very moment, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how they look in ear. You put them in, they have noise canceling. They're not like official because it's not like Sennheiser's or the high-end Sony true wireless earbuds ones. Those always have an app. Their technology is just a hell of a lot more better. But with the ceiling with these, with the ear tips, they just give that mimic of noise canceling. Put them in solid. They don't go anywhere. Sleek profile design. Absolutely nice. Worked out with these. I'll show you a video right here. Sweating profusely. Did not fall once. Now these got some pretty good bass. Now here's my only main gripe with these. If you're playing a specific song that has like real deep heavy bass, I don't know if you ever guys heard of a song called Ric Flair Drip by Offset. That song has I'm gonna say it has like that real heavy mumble bass. So I find that with these, it can't handle it. It kind of has a little bit of distortion. So just be aware of that. But if you're playing general music that has just regular bass, nothing too crazy, they work fine. They won't have a lot of distortion. Guys, the way these sound are absolutely amazing, yo, like we're in a generation now where a pair of something like 30 bucks for these can almost, I'm not gonna stroke his ego too much, but can almost compare to something that could be either $100 or $200 earbuds. Back in the day, if you were to buy something that was like $10, $20, 9 times out of 10, that shit was gonna be garbage. In order for you to get the best out of your money, you had to spend at least 100 plus back in the day. But now we ain't got to do that. You can spend 30 bucks on these and they will be as good as something that's close to 100. You know what I'm saying? Now, the magnet on these specifically are not really that strong. So I'm going to show you quickly. So how quickly that came out. So don't go on ahead and think you can be reckless and be loose with it, because you're going to wind up dropping and wind up losing it. But once you close them, these won't. Oh, it actually came out. Well, okay. Once again, do not be reckless. Keep it safe, be respectful with your property, okay? And put it away in a nice stored area and you'll be fine. So guys, that's it for today. I really appreciate anybody who was watching me. Guys, I'm super close to 100 subscribers. I think I have around 97 or 98. I am absolutely close. So guys, feel free to subscribe to me. Do not be afraid. I am generally a nice guy. Please, ladies and gentlemen, take care and be safe.